ahead and run the intro. Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Angel Ross here, man. On my channel, things we do is sporadic. You might not see me for a couple months, but when I come back, I always come back with some heat, some new stuff from the ANDIS Clipper Company. And today, I'm proud to announce the Recon Clipper and the matching Recon trimmer. Now, as a barber myself, been a barber for about 20 years, I've been asking the ANDIS Clipper Company for these colorways and different customizations with these tools for a very long time. So I'm excited to see where we're headed. I'm excited to see the new faceplates that are coming out with these tools. I'm excited to unbox these for you and show you a little bit of what's new with these tools, what has changed. I've been using them for a couple months now. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have been testing this tool out. I've been using this tool. It has replaced a lot of my workhorses, and it is now one of my favorite tools in my arsenal. So I'm excited that now the public will be able to get their hands on these and use them for themselves. I'm excited to see all the content, all the videos that are gonna be coming after people get this tool in their hands. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into some unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the clipper first, and then I'm gonna get into the trimmer, and we'll unbox that and take a look at that as well. So let's get started with the Recon Clipper adjustable phase blade. This is a new phase blade that they've been working on that you've seen on a lot of tools like the Envy. So it's gonna be almost like as if the taper fade and a fade blade had a baby, and that is gonna be my best description of what a phase blade works like, looks like, and feels like. Linear motor, 9,000 SPM, strokes per minute. This is a very powerful, very fast tool. USB charging, so if you have the new iPhone, you can actually use that charger to plug right into the bottom of this tool. I love that USB-C charging. Love that that's an option. Premium charging stand. I am a big advocate for charging stands. I do not like tools when they come without a stand because I barely charge my phone. I don't like plugging in. I like to just lay my stuff down, and makes it easy, especially when you're busy, you're working with all these clients and you want to get in and out and through the haircut. I love the fact that I can just put that tool right on the charging stand and I'm good to go. What else we got? Interchangeable covers. So you could do gold, black, and then that nice charcoal silver. That's pretty cool to have those three options, to be able to just switch it out right on that one tool. If you're feeling like you want silver one day and then you could just switch it out to the gold the next, you have that option, and then you can go with the sleek all black. That's the only option that I haven't done, is that all black. I actually have the gold and I have the silver on my station. So I do like and enjoy that option. Also, you're gonna get that OG zero guard. Definitely excited that ANDIS brought that back. We were asking for it for a long time. It's finally back, and now they're giving it to you in the tools. Usually before you had to buy that separately. Now it's just mixed in. It goes from 0, 1, 2, 3 all the way up to 4. So you got 5 combs that come with this tool right here. So you're ready to go. As soon as you get this tool, you got your guards, you're ready to rock out. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So again, I actually opened up this tool. When I did open it up the first time, it had a nice plastic case on it. But I took it out of that case. I did a unboxing for some other videos that I was doing. So I took it out of the case. So I've actually turned this tool on and felt it really sleek. It has I don't know if you can see that see-through case in the front with the ANDIS logo in the middle. I thought that was pretty cool that they did that. Nice and quiet. I love that it has the quick levers on the side. This middle piece is see-through, so you can see the ANDIS logo. It's also got this light up LED logo right there that lights up really cool. And then you have your premium charging stand. If you have the Envy, if you have any other newer tools that came out this year, you're pretty familiar with what that looks like. Sit that right there for you. And then we're gonna see what else is in here. And once you take the plastic, you're gonna see these, this is the gold cover. So again, 3 screws, 1 at the top, 2 at the bottom. Unscrew, replace. Super simple, super easy, super fast. You got the gold option. And then you have the black option. And then again, like I said, you got 0 through 4 guards in here. Love the fact that they included that 0 guard. It makes it easy, makes it quick, makes it fast. If you're a beginner, you buy this tool, you already have what you need. For a lot of us ANDIS users, we got plenty of these. So, but I'm glad that even the beginner barber can buy this tool and get a fresh set of guards. Got your nice brush for cleaning. Make sure you're cleaning these tools, oiling them up, taking care of them. And then we got, of course, our square for the wall and a USB-C to USB charging plug. You can plug that in, plugs it right into the back of the charging stand, and you're good to go. And that's pretty much it. That's the full setup on that clipper right there. Again, 9,000 strokes per minute, linear motor. So it's a new motor that the ANDIS company is coming out with, that they've, a new motor for them, let's say that. But it's super fast, super quiet, and that's gonna be our Recon. So let's go ahead and get over to the Recon trimmer, see what that looks like. Let's see what that body looks like, because I think for me the biggest thing is with trimmers, I want to make sure that they feel good in my hands and that the body actually has like that grip on it and just feels good in my hand, because some trimmers and some clippers can be uncomfortable in the hand. So I want to see what this looks like, see what this feels like. This is the Recon cordless trimmer. 8,500 strokes per minute. So again, super fast. Long lasting battery, up to 2 hours of runtime on this one. Premium charging stand, USB-C charging, interchangeable covers, linear motor, same motor as the clipper itself. It has a deep tooth T-blade with a DLC coating, so you know that that blade is not going to tarnish or to turn. That DLC coating is gonna make sure it holds up throughout the life of this tool. And on this one, let me see what the actual clipper has. A 4-hour running time. So you got 4 hours on the clipper, 2 hours on the trimmer. I think that's pretty good, especially when you have that charging stand on both of them. So you really don't have to worry about it dying on you. If you're like me, you're just gonna put it back on the charger, and you're not gonna be worried about it dying throughout a haircut or while you're dealing with clients throughout the day. Again, same boxing as the clipper. I love these Apple style boxes. Super sleek, super clean. So this is our Recon trimmer. Again, it has the LED light up. It also has the see-through clear where you can see like the ANDIS logo right there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this is actually see-through, so you can see there's an ANDIS logo in the middle. And you can feel the power, you can hear the power of that motor as you try to hold that blade down. I think it's really powerful. And these blades are adjustable. You can zero gap these. Simply just unscrew these 2 screws, and then there's gonna be 2 screws on the inside and 2 springs. You just move those springs out of the way, and then you'll be able to go ahead and zero gap this just like any other tool. If you guys want me to drop a video on how to zero gap this, man, just leave it down in the comments, and I'll start working on a video to show you guys how we can zero gap this tool with ease. And again, this one comes with the charging stand, just like the clipper. We'll see what's inside here. All right, so we got the black, just like the clipper, so you can actually match up the clipper to your trimmer. I think that's pretty cool. I would definitely want mine to match. And you know, I gotta go with the gold. I just like that gold. It just stands out, it pops. And I've always been a big fan of the when they released the gold master. So for me, like, I'm gonna have to go with that gold with mine. Even though I do like the gray, it's like a sleek look. It's more subtle, but I like the flash and the pop of that gold. So again, same thing. You got your box for the wall. Then you got a USB to USB-C, so you can plug that into your charging stand. You'll be good to go. And then the trimmer also comes with a couple of guards. There's gonna be a 1, a 2, and a 3. I personally don't really too much use these. If I'm being honest with you guys, I'm not a big fan of these. I'd rather just use my clipper, but it is cool for the beginner barber, whoever is using this at home or any type of use like that, to have those. And then of course you got your cleaning brush. So there you guys have it, man. This is the Recon trimmer. Quick look at it, quick unboxing, and the Recon clipper. If you guys have any questions about these tools, make sure you guys comment below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you guys do want a nice discount on these, make sure when you go to andis.com, type in the promo code RAWS, and it'll give you a nice little discount. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you later.